In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at finding a rule when we're given a point and a gradient. So first of all, again, we remember our magic formula, or our magic equation, y equals mx plus c. That's going to be the first thing we write when we have a problem like this. And if we're given the gradient, we can remember that m equals gradient. So we can plug that value straight in. So y equals minus 2 in this situation, which is here. X plus c. Now we still need to find c, but what we've got is we have 2 points. So we can use those values and we'll plug them into the equation to find c. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say let x equal 1 and y equal negative 3. Then we just plug those straight in. So negative 3 equals negative 2 times 1 plus c. And we're just going to go through and solve this. So when we're told that we've got c is equal to negative 1, we can now plug the value in here. So our rule is y equals negative 2x minus 1.